Hello, and welcome back to another video tutorial session on how to navigate our e-commerce website. So as a first step, one of the things that you should be sure of is that you are logged in to the website to ensure that you can see your pricing and check availability, things of that nature. So if you look at the top, you'll see that my name is up there. If you're logged in as a customer, you'll see probably your name and the name of your company. So let's go ahead and get to it. At the top of this web page, you'll see our navigation bar. There's Contact Us, News and Events, Partners, Quick Form, Favorites, Services, Solutions, About, My Account, and Shop. The focus of this video is specifically for how to shop. So the obvious pull-down menu that we're going to go to is Shop. And you'll see there's a variety of things here that take a general approach, general category, and then it gets a little bit more and more fine-tuned depending on what you're looking for, depending on what frequency. So that's one pretty simple way of searching for parts. If you're more of a graphics type of a person and a picture is worth 1,000 words, you can scroll down here where it says Shop by Category, which is what's highlighted. And each one of these categories have a tile that you can just click on. So if you wanted to go somewhere else and find something that way, you can do it through the tiles. So let me click back. Another way of shopping for products is by manufacturer name. So if you know that you need a widget, you can click on manufacturer and you know that that widget might be made by RF Industries. You could find RF Industries, and that would be another way of trying to find the parts that you're looking for. Let me click back again. And then finally, the other tabs in here are the 5 major applications that Tally supports. So mobile LMR, SCADA, cell two-way, DAS small cell, and microwave. In this case, what you'll do is you're going to go ahead and select one of the applications that you would be working on. And what we do in an efficient method is we try and highlight what this application is about. So cell two-way. And for each application, the landing page that we take you to will have what we call the ABCs of that application. In this case, cell two-way. In cell two-way, we break these ABCs down into support structure, signal transmission, and power and grounding, where each one of these columns represents A, B, and C. That being said, if you know that you're working on the support structure of that application, you're probably likely to find your parts in this column. If you're working on the signal transmission portion, the second column, and finally the power and grounding would be in your third column, or the C column, if you will, A, B, and C. Each one of our applications is broken down this way to make it easier for you to search for parts and understand and help us communicate with you what part of the network you're going to be working on. Finally, there is this search bar up here. And what you can do is, since we always utilize the manufacturer's part numbers, you can start typing any part number in there, and what it'll do is it'll auto-populate. So if I'm looking for a CommScope 221213, if I wait just a beat here, you'll see that it comes up with that exact part number, and the AND in front of it is a historic manufacturer code from Andrew. So I can click on that, or I could hit the search magnifying glass, and it'll absolutely take me to that part. So again, let me go back to the home page by clicking Tally at the top. And the methods for shopping would be the Shop pull-down menu, broken down into categories. The next thing would be shopping by tiles of the same category, shopping by the manufacturer name, and each one of these is a hyperlink to the parts of that manufacturer. And then down here, the 5 major applications that Tally supports, it'll take you directly to that application and provide you with a format of ABCs, support structure, signal transmission, power and grounding for that application. And finally, looking up here in our search bar. Overall, hope this is helpful for you in finding the parts on our website, and we'll look forward to talking to you in the next video. Have a good day.